In this video, we'll show you how to share your current location on Google Maps step by step. To get started, the first thing we need to do is install the Google Maps app on our phone. Once it's installed, we'll open it and sign in with our Google account if necessary. Once we're inside the app, we'll go to our profile, which you'll find in the top right corner of the screen. After tapping on it, we'll see several options, and we'll need to select Share Location. Next, Google Maps will ask us to enable the necessary location permissions so the app can access our location correctly. It's important to allow these permissions. Otherwise, Google Maps won't be able to share our location in real time. Once the permissions are enabled, we'll be able to choose how long we want to share our location. After selecting the duration, Google Maps will provide us with a link to share our location. We can easily send this link through WhatsApp or any other messaging app we use. On some devices, Google Maps may also ask us to change our location permissions and select Allow all the time, or an equivalent option. This allows Google Maps to continue updating our location even when we're not actively using the app. Once everything is configured, we simply choose the contacts we want to share our location with and send them the link. They will then be able to open it through Google Maps and see our location for the amount of time we've selected. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave a like for more step-by-step tutorials.